Hello friends, now we are going to discuss the addition and subtraction formula from trigonometry. So we have sin A plus B is equals to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. That means first of all we have to take angle with sin A and then B with cos, and again A with cos and B with sin. That means sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. If we take it A is equals to B, and let us assume both are equal to A, that means A equal to B and equal to A, then we can get sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A into cos A. Sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A into cos A. Again cos A plus B, cos A plus B is equals to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. And again if A is equals to B, then we can get cos 2A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. And again if you want to write it as in terms of cos A, then we can write 2 cos square A minus 1, 2 cos square A minus 1 from here you can see. And again if we want to write in terms of sin square A, then we can write 1 minus 2 sin square A. Again sin A minus B, we can write sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. And cos A minus B is equals to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Tan A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. If you want to write tan A minus B, then we can write tan A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. In case of plus, we can clearly see in case of plus, minus will be in denominator, and in case of minus, plus will be in denominator. Okay. Now for cot A plus B, we can write cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. In cot A minus B, we can write it as cot A into cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Now sin A plus B into sin A minus B, sin A plus B into sin A minus B, we can write it sin square A minus sin square B. If we change sin in terms of cos, then we can write cos square B minus cos square A. And next one is cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equals to cos square B minus sin square A. We can also write it as cos square A minus sin square B. If we change this cos in sin and this sin in cos, then we get cos square A minus sin square B. We have also sin A plus B plus C, sin A plus B plus C, then we can write sin A into cos B into cos C plus cos A into sin B into cos C plus cos A into cos B into sin C minus sin A into sin B into sin C. If A is equals to B is equals to C and let it be A, then we have sin 3A is equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Sin 3A is equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Now cos A plus B plus C is equals to cos A into cos B into cos C minus cos A into sin B into sin C minus sin A into cos B into sin C minus sin A into sin B into cos C. And if we take cos A, B, C, all three terms are equal, and let it be assume A, then cos 3A is equals to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Again tan A plus B plus C, tan A plus B plus C is equals to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C upon 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan B into tan C minus tan C into tan A. Now we are going to discuss some problems related to these formulas. So we have sin 15 degree. What is the value of sin 15 degree? Then we have the 4 options, only one is correct. So now we can discuss how we can find the value of these formulas. So we can write sin 15 as sin 45 degree minus 30 degree, and we also know that sin A minus B is equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B, and value of A is 45 degree and value of B is 30 degree. So if you put 30 in place of B and 45 in place of A, then we can get easily sin 45 into cos 30 minus cos 45 into sin 30, and we also have the exact value of 45 30 is sin 45 is equals to 1 by root under 2 and cos 30 is equal to root under 3 by 2 and cos 45 is equal to 1 upon under root 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. If we put all these formulas, all these values, then we will get root under 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, root under 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. That means option number 2. Next, the next question is cos 75 degree. Now we have to find cos 75 degree. So we can also write it as cos 45 plus 30 degree, and we can also solve those steps, those way. But if we can also write cos 75 is equals to cos 90 minus 15 degree. Okay, cos 75 is equals to cos 90 degree minus 15 degree, and we also have the formula cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. So we can write it as sin 15 degree, and we have from here sin 15 degree, value of sin 15 degree is equals to root under 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So we can simply write root under 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. That means this time the option number D is the correct answer. The next question is cos 5 pi by 12. 5 pi by 12. Now we have four options, only one is correct. Now we can write cos 5 pi by 12 is equals to cos pi by 4 plus pi by 6, and this is based on cos A plus B, and we have the formula of cos A plus B is equals to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, and if you put all the value of these formulas, then we will get 1 upon root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by under root 2 into 1 by 2, then we will get root under 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and if we rationalize this term, then we will get root under 6 minus root under 2 upon 4. That means option number E is the correct answer. Root under 6 minus root under 2 upon 4 is the correct answer. And the next question we have tan 105 degree. tan 105 degree. So we can write tan 105 degree is equals to tan 60 plus 45 degree. Okay, tan 60 plus 45 degree, and we have the formula of tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. So we can write it tan 60 degree plus tan 45 degree upon 1 minus tan 60 degree into tan 45 degree, and we can put the formula, the value tan 60 we have root under 3, tan 45 1, then we will get root under 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus under root 3, and if we rationalize this term, then we will get 4 plus 2 root under 3 upon minus 2, and finally we will get minus 2 minus under root 3. Okay. The next question is cos 3x. We have the 4 options. If you remind, then we have the formula. From here you can see cos 3x, cos 3x here, cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So similarly we can write for x, cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. That means option number 3, option number C. C is the correct answer. Next, cot 75. We have to find cot 75. So we have 4 options again. We can find cot 75. We can write cot 45 plus 30, and we have the formula cot A plus B, cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. If you put this formula, the value of these ratios, then we will get 1 minus under root 3 upon 1 plus under root 3, and if we rationalize, then we will get under root 3 minus 2, but we have option is in terms of 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. There is no need to rationalize this term. That means option number 1 is the correct answer. Option number A. Option number A is the correct answer. Now cos 75 into cos 15 degree. We have to find cos 75 into cos 15 degree. So now we can write it as cos 75 is written as cos 45 plus 30, and cos 15 is written as cos 45 minus 30. Okay, and we have the formula of cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus sin square B. So we can write, we can put the formula, the value of cos 45 and sin 30, then we will get 1 upon root under 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 square is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, and finally we will get 1 upon 4. That means 1 by 4 is the correct answer, option number C. Okay, and the next question is sin 15 into sin 75, and again we have 4 options, only one is correct. So we can simplify is this, we can get sin square 45 minus sin square 30. Similarly from above we can write sin 45 plus 30 into sin 45 minus 30, and then we have the formula of sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B. So we can write sin square 45 minus sin square 30, and putting the value of this sin 45 and sin 30, we will get 1 upon under root 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 square, and finally we will get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, and hence is equals to 1 by 4. That means again we have the 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Option number A. And the next question is sine 3x. We have sine 3x from the formula, given formula. You can clearly see from here, sine 3a is equals to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. So, we can see here 3 sine x for x, 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. That means option number C. Option number C is the correct answer. And the last question is cos 105 degree. Okay, we have 4 options. So, we can see it. Cos 105 is written as cos 45 plus 60 degree. And we have the formula cos A plus B is equals to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So, the value of cos 45, cos 60, sin 45 and sin 60, if you put here, then we will get 1 upon under root 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 upon under root 2 into under root 3 by 2, and then finally we will get 1 minus root under 3 upon 2 root 2. That means option number D is the correct answer. Okay.